Yo, what's up guys? Today we're playing Roblox Assassin. I created my new channel called Roblox Assassin Pat. If you want to see it, I'll show you the steps to win my Lumber Tycoon giveaway. If you do play, just subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications. So this is my new channel. I made this by myself by Pixlr, Photoshop. Please don't copy me. I mean, you can. The link will be in the description, the Pixlr thing, so you can make your own, the channel art. So let's get started.
Okay.
Also, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so I'm in Assassin. I have this pet because I got ages ago. Well, I don't need to tell you. How much does VIP cost? Well, 399 Robux. Waiting for the second round. Yeah, there's also on your hobby to get
like
15 coins.
No, not 15 coins.
Yes, 15.
Well,
My favorite song. Yay! Nah, seriously. Actually, let's go in deathmatch. It's easier. Why does it not let me?
click on the green.
Why do you have to talk?
Because it's got your ranges. Is mine the same?
I hate my brother.
Well, I'm at football.
No, you're not. How do you know? What can you say? I have better football shoes than you. I have better skills. I have better crossbars.
I don't care.
So why did I get like 100 in a row? At school. Training center. Oh, I just won.
2 kids or 1 kid?
Yeah, who cares?
Look how this is hard. If you want to hit Patrick, I'll hit with this. Look how hard.
Who cares? Will you stop because I'm recording? Or I'll delete your YouTube channel. Can you close that cupboard?
Yeah.
A bit like you. Look at your name. A bit like you. Look at your stupid face. What? Stop making stupid noises. Alright, I'm deleting your YouTube channel. Don't care. You'll do it. You want me to do it?
Okay, no.
Yeah, so be quiet. I think that's it for today, YouTube. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notifications. Like the video, subscribe, and that, yeah. Bye. Also, if you want to join the truck giveaway, the stuff giveaway, I put it in my truck. I'll show you right now if you want.
Henry.
Who cares about Orange Henry?
Well, I'm with it.
Cool.
I was.
Doing a giveaway. Whoever wins, I'm doing an announcement and I'm gonna do a live stream. The live stream is gonna be no. I have 0 subscribers because I just started my channel. So in 3 weeks, I'm gonna announce the winner. Deal? Alright. So I'm gonna show you the truck what I'm giving away. The fuck? What the? No way, there's so much glued. He duped. Never mind about you. Look how many glued. Wait. Make it all shine. Look. Literally. Forgot profile. This is a cheap. Right. Gonna show him the truck. 600,000. Yeah, okay. The truck should be over here. No, it's not. So I'm giving away 2 purple heads, baubles. 1 cheated for this axe box. 3 fire axe boxes.
Patrick!
Wait, where's the other one? Never mind. 3 fire axe boxes. And 1 chicken axe. 1 pumpkin head. Hauler, the car. And all of those hatchets.
Oh.
Okay, thank you for watching YouTube. Bye. Make sure to smash that YouTube like button and subscribe. Yep. Bye.